So welcome to another Great Babe Garage project. As you all know, I've got my Specter Werkes rear bumper cover put on my car, and there was a gap right here that they couldn't get snugged down without spacers because it would crack the fiberglass. So what I did was I went and bought some of this wood. Very soft, easy to work with, and I made myself a little template. I broke the corners off of it trying to bend it around to conform it, but this is just a template anyway. It's going to fit in here just like that. There we go. Anyways, it's going to fit in there just like that. It'll hide. I had to stress release the wood so I could curve because this isn't straight. So, but anyway, it's going to work for now. Like I said, it's just a template. I'm going to get some phenolic strip that will actually work better. Anyway, I hope this works. So, I'm about done with it. Hopefully. I just got to paint it black so nobody can see it. I got a car show Saturday, so I had to do something. This is the mess I'm making. But the grinder actually worked really well to thin it out instead of having to use a file or a sander. But anyways, we are almost there. I don't know what to do otherwise, other than getting a little round phenolic spacer, but might have to do that anyway. So I'll let you know what I figure out when I'm done. As of right now, this is going to do. I'm actually second thinking this bumper cover because I like perfection, but it is what it is. So we'll see what happens. So while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, you know how I am when I'm doing a project. I only cut myself once. So, not bad, huh? But the project's not over yet. So I got it painted black, so you won't be able to see it. I've already got that one in, or that part in. But I think it'll look okay for tomorrow's show. I mean tomorrow, Saturday. So we'll see how it goes with the rest of it. The screws are tight. Doesn't look too awful bad. Still got a little gap here in the middle. It kind of bows a little bit. But I can fix that with the new spacer. But it's got to be good enough for tomorrow. Why do I keep saying tomorrow? But hopefully it'll be good enough for Saturday's car show. That didn't look too bad. Yeah, it didn't look too bad. Not bad. I'm happy with it. So now I got to clean the car for the car show on Saturday because this is Thursday. So hopefully that won't take too long just to wipe it off because I haven't really driven it anywhere. Put some air in the tires, call it a day. Go inside where it's a little cooler. So Tennessee weather is actually not too bad today. Got some clouds around, a little wind, a little breeze. But I'm hoping it'll rain. Get that grass nice and green again. It's got a lot of dead spots in it. But anyways, this project is done for now until I can get the right stuff I need. And I can heat it up and form it and actually make it conform to the curve of the car without breaking like the wood does. I got some stuff I'm eyeballing on the internet, so it's a phenolic plastic material, so it should be easy to heat up and bend better than aluminum anyway. So I'll keep you updated on when that happens. It won't be in this video, but Down the road it will, when I get the stuff. So I had a, while I was working, one of those things, you know. I had a driving light, fog light, that wasn't working, so I decided to change the bulb in it. I got some extra bulbs, and come to find out, it was just reversed on the plug, so the polarity was wrong because they're LEDs. So I swapped the LED plug. Now it works fine, so they both match. But the hazards of going through the opening the headlight up and then taking the trim off and putting your hand in there to get to the fog light. That's the problem. So, but it's working, right? That's all that matters. Found another hazard too. It's the other arm. So, hazards of working on the headlights on a C5 Corvette can be pretty detrimental to your health. Just so you know. So I just got done prepping my car for a car show this coming Saturday, 28th of May, I believe it is. Anyways, it's an hour and a half drive away from here, so it should be a fun day. Gotta get up pretty darn early though. But I just got done prepping the car for the show. Hopefully it'll be fun. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. I just walked back into the garage and this is happening. Coming down pretty good too. Not that we don't need it. I love it. I love it. Standing here in the garage, nice and cool, and raining. Gotta love it. Be my very first show in Tennessee, and as some of you might know, it might be my last, but we'll see. So, still thinking about that. Take care.